It is 9:18 a.m. Day out of 1. This is day 6 here. We got back really late, so I didn't get to finish editing. So I'm working on editing some right now. I'll try to get this video posted soon. Almost done. I think I just gotta finish cutting up a few clips and adding some music. I'll try to get this posted before we head out. Probably try to head out 10:30, 10. So we're gonna work.
Okay, what a late start to the day. It's 12, but it's fine. We booked our tickets to the Osaka Expo for tomorrow. So today we're just gonna go explore the other direction. We usually go up to the Dotonbori area and up there to the Osaka Castle. So now we're gonna go down and we're gonna go to like some really good market. I forgot the name, but I'll show you guys when we get there. And tomorrow morning we'll wake up early, go to the expo, and see all the, what is it, like
tech and stuff,
things like that. So catch you guys. We're probably going to 7-Eleven to get a smoothie. You guys probably could have guessed that, but see you guys. We update the smoothie counter. We're at number 7 on day 6. Mm-hmm. Wow. 7 smoothies, 3 milkshakes. What was the other thing I was counting?
I don't think
there was something else I forgot. Milkshakes are important. And now we're just walking to the streets. Really close to our hotel, actually, is the Namba Handori. Another like walking street, shopping street. But we're also heading this way to go to Kuromon Market, which I guess is like a big fish market, but I guess there's just markets all over the place for things to see, do, eat, buy. Oh. Oh, there's architecture. Good thing I spun around. We wouldn't even notice this over here. Shops everywhere. Food everywhere. My money nowhere. Oh, we need to go in here. We've been into 2 stores. Only thing we got was a, where is it? A little Godzilla keychain, but nothing else so far. But we're hungry, so we're looking for either a sushi spot or like a nice beef spot. We haven't had either one of those yet. Here's one. That looks okay. There's no pricing, which might mean it's more authentic. I don't know. So we might do here. We might walk around. I'm not sure. Alright. Got distracted. Went to the camera shop. I'm trying to look at iPad minis. I think it'd be nice to use those, carry that, edit on it while I'm out, and do stuff with it. But they're just expensive. So I don't think we'll get one. Priority is I need to get probably a new phone. I'm on the 11 still. So that probably is next to upgrade. I need a new laptop too. My laptop doesn't even, I can't update Windows because it's so old. But we're still looking for lunch, and we're still heading to where where you want to go. Okay, we just hit the post office to get some stamps as like a souvenir collection, and I think we're gonna eat at the sushi spot. I don't know what it's called, but it looks really good.
It's the English menu.
Ooh. Yeah, I think we're gonna eat here. It looks really good.
Oh, I might get one of these.
So we're gonna eat here. The guy that was out here was also the chef. So we talked to him a little bit, and we're gonna eat here. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna eat here. Okay, so we're in now, and we got, this is an appetizer. It's some kind of fish. I didn't understand what he was saying, but it's an extra 500 that they present it to you, and then you can choose whether or not you'll take it. So we want the full experience, so we took it, but I'll show you guys what we're ordering. Okay, we just finished eating right here. I still don't know what it's called. I had the salmon belly and then I forgot the meatball. I had the meatball with rice. Sarab had beef with, I forgot what the fish was called, but it was not good. It was not good. That was our first time having fish and basically meat in Japan, besides like having it in other dishes, but that's like specified for those dishes. It was really small. Like it came, like the pictures make it look big, and then it came out and it was really small. I had like 4 or 5 small pieces of salmon belly. The rice was the biggest like thing that I ate. So Rob had I think 4 pieces of beef on his, and then like 2 big things of cabbage. And then his fish was really small also. And now we're just on the street. I think we're getting closer to like the fish market, and this might be it. Where there's like a lot of fish, seafood, and things like that.
I might just get one of these.
This looks so good. And here's more king crab legs. So you buy what you want, and then right here they just grill it for you. Or you might have to buy something here. These are the biggest king crab legs I've ever seen. And they're expensive. One leg is $3,500 for that big one. And you could buy them. They were growing them up here. And I don't know. It's I might give it. We might have to try it.
A $15,000 one?
Oh, this man's on crack. 15,000? What are we, Bill Gates? YouTube doesn't pay me. This is all out of my pocket.
I didn't know that's what you meant.
Okay, we're by this fruit store where it's literally just fancy fruits. Very popular fruits. But we're gonna get these strawberries. They have a lot on display. They got the red ones, and then they have the white ones, which are like a rare delicacy, sweeter here in Japan. So 750 yen is about $5. So we're gonna try it, see what the big difference is. So I'll pick your strawberry. think I'm going this one. And we'll do a taste test. I'll let you guys know. It's a really cool street. You get some free samples. We got a sample of Wagyu beef, got a sample of tea, got a sample of chestnuts. We're gonna try our strawberries right now. So I will go first.
Live reaction.
Oh, it's even white inside.
I mean, it tastes good. Doesn't quite have the same taste as strawberry. Doesn't quite have the same taste as strawberry, but it doesn't taste bad. I guess it's honestly not as juicy. I feel it lost a lot of the juice.
Everywhere, there's just non-stop food. Some places you can sit down inside and eat, but so I made us eat, so now I'm not even hungry. There's so much better food. The prices are better and there's just more options. Yeah. Here they serve the puffer fish. So I guess it's more popular than I thought. I know I get to be chef trained for like a lot of years, so you know how to perfectly cut it so you don't kill your customers. Yeah. So we're walking by and we smelled this place and it smells so good. It's called Burger Revolution and they have Kobe beef burgers. They're a little pricey, but it's the quality beef. And I think we might try it, make up for our last meal. It smells really good. So we just ordered 2 Kobe beef burgers. They're gonna take like 15 minutes. So we're gonna hit Family Mart because I need some water. But walking by, past this, the scraps of the tuna. That's pretty cool. They take the eyes, they take all the meat, everything off of it. And then I guess the scraps, somebody takes them for something. Alright, so I got the Kobe beef cheeseburger with mozzarella. About 4,000 yen, that's crazy. And Sarab got the original barbecue Kobe beef for about 3,800 yen. So it better be good, or we're eating 7-Eleven and McDonald's the rest of the Japan trip, because we're running out of budget. Please like, subscribe, share. I need views. I need to get monetized. I have no money. Thanks you. Alright, we're 2 bites in. I'm gonna be 100% honest with everyone. It's not worth the money. It tastes sweet for some reason, and I don't know how, but I barely taste the meat. I barely taste the burger. Straub said the same thing.
Yeah, that's pretty much the same. It's kind of just like an American burger, maybe just less fatty.
Okay, we just finished eating. Not worth it. Unfortunately, not worth 50 bucks. It was I don't know. I'd go to McDonald's if I'm being honest. So.
I was gonna go use the restroom, so I'm just gonna round out the meal. Would not recommend if you want like high quality food. In comparison to the Golden Ramen and that one curry place that we ate at, doesn't compare. Like those two places were top tier in their own ways, and I don't like that was good food. This, however, not even close. If I was comparing it to McDonald's, unfortunately, I would have to agree. It's not that great. I don't know. You can cut the rest of that out. I remember what I was gonna say. We don't mean to sound like haters. It's just the food wasn't good, and we have much higher expectations, and that place did not meet it. So
I was asked for this every day.
And I finally got it.
Okay, so we just got what Rob's been asking for every day of the trip. Ice cream. All you got was vanilla. Who just gets vanilla?
Good old fashioned.
Lame. I got strawberry. This is better than the white strawberry that we ate. You can take more than one bite, dude. Jesus Christ. You look like a madman. What are you doing? Walking still. We're just stopping in and out of different shops. There's so much to see here. The street is just full of shops. There's figurine shops, there's CD shops, DVD shops, card shops, 7-Elevens. There's shops for like anything, video game shops. There's just so much. I don't really know. We're not really looking at figures to buy because we still have to travel, so we're probably gonna buy those back in Tokyo. But maybe like smaller stuff. We're still looking around. Anything that catches our eye, we'll go into. But haven't found too much yet. We still haven't bought anything today really besides food. So we're doing good on budget-wise, but not really because the food is expensive. So I went into 7-Eleven to throw away his trash. You'll never believe what we're buying. This is my eighth smoothie in 6 days? 7 days, 6 days. We are keeping Japan, the financial situation here afloat. This is indeed number 8 on day 6. Whoever is making bets on how many I'll have before I leave Japan, let's hear your numbers in the comments. I'll try to beat it. Okay, we're walking and we made it. Or not yet, but we made it to where we could see the tower. So I don't really know what this tower is, but we're here. And once we get more, yeah, we're at Osaka Shinsekai is where we're at. It's in the same that loop was I mean, it's on you have good life. You have like a So Robin, I made it. He's getting demonetized. Alright, so now we're just gonna walk around here and see what they got. I think it's supposed to be a lot of so the inspiration here is Paris and Coney Island, I think is what they said. So I think there's supposed to be a lot of like souvenirs, a lot of clothes again. Right there. I don't really know. We'll record it. You guys will find out. So it is 7:04, and everything's closed. I don't understand. If it's a tourist, like known tourist spot, why is everything closed at 7 o'clock? Doesn't make sense to me. But I guess that just means we are late. Are we late? Are we late, Saram?
I don't think so.
Or he doesn't think we're late. I didn't think we were late, but I guess we're late because everything's closed. So we'll see what's still open. So this is under the building.
Don't duck down.
What? So I think more stuff is open over here at the tower. Yeah, it says dive and walk, so Rob, I think you jump off the roof or jump off the side of the tower. I'm not doing that. Let's go see how much it is. So we already ate, so I don't think we're gonna eat again. And it doesn't look like many things, like shopping-wise, are open still. So I'm not sure what we are gonna do. But these like drain covers are so nice. It's the Osaka Castle. But it's getting cold, and neither I nor Sarab brought our hoodies or jackets. Nothing to say for himself.
There's another archery thing.
The restaurant I saw where you fish for your own meal. There's like this whole, it's like, of course there's fish, but they're in a net. But it's like a collection of that type of fish. You can fish for it, and then whatever you catch is what they cook, and that's your dinner. So that's really cool. Okay, so we literally just walked in, and we're already doing archery. So I'm gonna go first.
We'll see how this goes. Ooh, okay. Oh, there you go. There you go.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
That's actually cool.
Oh, that's fire.
Alright, so I've got 3. I got 1 at the end. But when I was trying to aim so I can actually see the arrow, the bow hits the ceiling, so I can't see what I'm aiming at. So I'm kind of just letting it go. So, got scammed. But, you know, you still get the wooden plank, which is the best part.
Do what?
Matsuba scooping.
But there's none there.
So I couldn't talk in that whole like strip because there's music in every building, every game center area. But it's like Coney Island. I don't know what the Paris part of the architecture is, but there's games, there's food. It's really fun. We're gonna walk back down. We're going to come up, see this view. So I had to use the bathroom, so we went to this place called Spa World. You're not allowed in with tattoos. So I can't go in. So I can go in if he wants, but not I. Sad face. Hold on, I gotta do something. I don't know, I'm not really hungry, but I just want to try the food. I don't know how good this GoPro looks in low light from like range like that. I just know it bounces too much when I walk because the calibration's not really good right now. But it's fine. I'm trying to capture everything for you guys and for me to remember this trip. We need to go find the real torii gates. I don't remember where that is. Hopefully it's not in Osaka. Hopefully it's Kyoto. Because we're running out of time. But we're seeing a lot, we're doing a lot, we're eating a lot of food. Oh, it's a mall. Oh, this is a mall. It's Carnival Mall. Oh. The past 2 years I've been in the Philippines and it's been like above 80 degrees every single day. It is currently 57 degrees and it feels like 52 degrees. And Sarabra and I are in short sleeve shirts and shorts. I almost dropped my camera. Yeah, so it's cold. I'm not used to that.
I'm okay.
A big tall one. Up a hotel. We made it. Sarab thinks we still need a map when we see the building. So we're back, we made it.
Excuse me.
We are back to our hotel. The truck's moving, Shrub.
What? I got the picture.
So why am I holding your drink? For fun? We're going inside.
Alright, we're back at the hotel. I think we're gonna try to order like a pizza or something, because we kind of didn't want to spend more money on food we weren't sure about, because we are already sad about today. But I will show you guys if the pizza's any different. If it's the same pizza, I'm not gonna show you guys.